So first of all, I congratulate Prashant and Harshal of Meedaas Protek for building up such a nice facility. I have been knowing Prashant for I think last 4-5 years now, and in fact we were introduced to each other as he came to us, our company, as a prospective vendor, and somehow our values and our thought process matched with each other, and he started supplying us housings to Setco, soft machine housing. So I'm really happy to see the facility what Prashant and Harshal they both put together built over here. It's a very short span, I would say. In last 3 years, I have seen from no machine to now 3 CNC machines and few general purpose machines under their shade. And I wish every luck to Prashant, Meedaas Protek team, Harshal, and Prashant's wife Reshma, who is also backbone of Meedaas Protek. So I am really blessed and feeling really happy that Prashant has invited me to perform the rituals of the inauguration of this factory, and I wish them every luck. Thank you very much.
We are thankful to Rajesh Mandlik sir for inaugurating this facility. This facility is part of our vision that we are planning for the next 5 years. And with this, we are also getting ourselves introduced to the aerospace industry. Meedaas was formed around 2020 September, and in the last 3 years, we sailed through this journey. We are into precision machining of components. And though we have not been into the non-automotive industry mainly, but now in the coming years we want to see ourselves as one of the leading suppliers in the aerospace industry, for which today we have got this facility inaugurated by Mr. Rajesh Mandlik, and we are thankful to him to give us time and be here for the inauguration.
I believe the growth of Indian manufacturing is in the hands of MSMEs. I'm very happy to come here and be part of the planned inauguration or a facility inauguration of Meedaas, which just started before 3 years in a very small shed. But this growth, even small, is happened because of the dream, the entrepreneurs who are, or the founders who are behind this, Prashant and Harshal. I congratulate them for taking these steps, bringing the dreams into reality, which will take not only them but the Indian manufacturing to the next level.